We all know the Ulefone Armor 29 Ultra, a rugged powerhouse built for extreme durability, huge battery life, and advanced night vision cameras. Now Ulefone is expanding that family with the Armor 29 Pro series, adding pro-grade imaging and more balanced everyday performance to the lineup. The Armor 29 Pro keeps the rugged with certified IP69K resistant, with military-grade standards ready for dust, water, drops, and harsh conditions. It also features a practical 1-inch rear sub-display for quick shortcuts and selfies, plus a tricolor warning LED and versatile LED light for outdoor use. On the front, the Pro uses a 6.67-inch AMOLED main display at Full HD+, up to 120 Hz refresh rate, which is smooth, bright, and readable even outdoors. The phone also runs on the latest Android 15 with a clean user experience and Gemini AI support. Under the hood, you get a MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chipset, paired with 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of onboard storage, which is even expandable via microSD up to 2 terabytes. Ulefone also adds heavy-duty cooling, including a large graphene cooling plate to keep sustained performance stable. Camera-wise, there is a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 64-megapixel night vision camera, and 50-megapixel ultra-wide cameras. The front selfie camera is a 50-megapixel as well. This combination gives you flexible daytime shots, wide landscapes, macro details, and improved low-light and night capture. Both Pro models pack the same giant 21,200 mAh battery with 120-watt flash charging and 10-watt wired reverse charging, built for multi-day field use and even to top up other devices when needed. And the same model comes with Armor 29 Pro thermal version. It adds Ulefone's ThermoVue thermal imaging system with a 512 pixels thermal resolution, up to 25 Hz refresh rate, with AI-enhanced image processing, and industry-level tools for temperature reading, leak detection, electrical inspection, and search and rescue scenarios. There's also a physical camera key, side-mounted fingerprint power key, and support for Ulefone's U-Smart accessory ecosystem. So with the Armor 29 Pro series, Ulefone now covers extreme endurance, high-performance ruggedness, and professional thermal imaging in a single family. Pick the one that fits your use case. And right now, during the AliExpress launch event, early bird pricing is available. Links in the description below. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.